Watch AI create a pharmacy workforce shift analysis from scratch. This is what we're building. Here's the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our pharmacy shift data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly, and we click Create Dashboard. Now, Bricks AI analyzes our workforce data, identifying key patterns in shift schedules, break durations, and employee hours. The intelligent system automatically generates 5 dynamic charts showing break distributions by position, total hours by location and shift type breakdowns, position analytics, and trending data over time. Plus 2 comprehensive tables for shift summaries and top-performing employees. Our complete pharmacy workforce shift analysis dashboard is ready with all visualizations perfectly organized. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's switch to presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes all editing tools, creating a clean professional display perfect for presenting insights to pharmacy management, analyzing workforce efficiency patterns, and making data-driven scheduling decisions. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every widget. Try Bricks today and transform your data analysis.